Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how to make egg yakhni or THOOLÈ yakhni. Yakhni is a highly cherished dish of Kashmiri cuisine. It's yogurt based gravy with mild spices and usually cooked with mutton. But today I am going to show you how we can make yakhni with eggs. Moreover, you can check my Urdu and Kashmiri channel link in the description box. Do check them out. For making egg yakhni, I have taken fully boiled eggs. I have taken 8 eggs. You can take any number of eggs that you want. And then I have taken oil because we have to fry it. And then I have taken ghee. Ghee is optional, but it gives good flavor. Then dried mint powder, salt, 2 teaspoons, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, ginger powder 1 teaspoon, fennel seed powder 1 teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and whole spices that include 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 black cardamom, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, 3 cloves, and cinnamon stick. And curd, I have taken half a kg. We have to whisk it properly like this. Before using, we have to whisk it. And the first thing we'll do, we will poke the eggs on all sides. Here you can see we have to poke all the eggs on all sides before frying them. Now I have heated up the oil and I have added boiled eggs to it, and we have to deep fry them on all sides like this. The way we make Zoondaeb, that is a Kashmiri egg curry, so we have to fry them like that. Like this, they are fried on all sides. So we'll take them out now, and I'll take out the extra oil from this pan and just keep small amount, like 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. And then I will add whole spices to it: cumin seed, cinnamon, green cardamom, black cardamom, cloves. And then I'll be adding fried onion paste that I forgot to show you earlier. Here you can see it's around 1 onion that I have fried and blended to a paste. So I'll be adding this also. We'll fry them properly. Once they are fried properly, we'll be adding other spices that include fennel seed, coriander powder, turmeric, ginger powder, and salt also. Mix it properly and then add water. Here the flame is between low to medium. We don't have to keep high flame or else it will burn. So then I'll be adding eggs to it, fried eggs. Then I'll add some more water, then whisk curd. This is the easy way to make yakhni. Once it starts to boil, we will add curd, whisk curd. This is an easy way of making yakhni. Traditionally, we make yakhni by boiling yogurt separate. So here you can see once it starts to boil, I'll be adding whisked yogurt to it, and we have to keep stirring it so it doesn't curdle. This is an easy way of making yakhni. So here you can see I'll keep stirring it till it gets its first boil. So here it has started to boil. So at this stage we can stop stirring, but till its first boil we have to keep stirring so that it doesn't curdle. And then we will add dried mint powder. That's an important ingredient of yakhni. So here you can see it gives a good flavor, and I have saved a little bit that I'll be adding before serving for the extra flavor. And I'm adding ghee. I'll also save a 1 teaspoon of ghee that we will be adding before serving. That gives a very good flavor. Now we will let it cook for around 10 minutes on medium flame. So after 10 minutes on low flame, here you can see our egg yakhni or THOOLÈ yakhni is ready. So now I'll be adding the remaining mint that I had saved, and we will turn off the flame at this stage. I have dished it out, and I'll be adding the remaining ghee that I had saved earlier. So around 1 teaspoon of ghee, and it will give a very good flavor. Ghee is optional but gives a very good flavor, ghee or clarified butter. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.